Kain bal kan dei don ni oi ku kar hi beng sing. Bal nya marcha nya ti le ajin mo to tlem ka tela chain nga thuro hi ka tel hal don bo ko mo. Chuanin bal hi min se leng ser thak ni mei babaya chuanin soda tel lo tu om. Ei bal kha kan chuang tar ta ni chu bala min that lo chuan shok te thak du mo. Chu vai min de wa siam tur ne hei. Chuanin heta hianin leng ser fresh ka nei lawa a rep ka tel don ni. Yan rei lo te ka chuang nga to ka ni mai. When I turn sardines kan siam don ni. Tan carrot kan telang. Puvana beng black fungus and white fungus. Oh, green peas, chana, black pepper, olive. Extra virgin olive oil mo. Tui glass cup. Yes, a medium in darker chan de kan phit don he. Olive oil na chan cho kan lo I dona. Hey sangha chhum. Ta hen bong sa ruhkawl la ti tenen mo tain sa tui. Hey bong sa pickle. Ui tui takat. Chuanin babay. Tahan beans. Demo. Hello. Linda ma'am.
Linda ma'am.
Kanda ma hey. Cho kanda ido na mo. Chuanin hey. Bong saru kan lei kha. Kan va zai tira mo. Hey mai kan chom trai ang.
Lo pai no sak na ta hen teo pe kon tu ayan. Mami som se Krista kan lo pa sa amen.
Look here, I put beans on there. Syrup and thing. Let me try. That's good.
Yeah, give it all the flavor.
The fish also, the bones are all soft. Anyways, there's no bones much though.
So much olive flavor.
Oi, bom, sabe frito. Yum, yum. What bite is that bite?
Bye-bye.
Bom, sa pickle here. Tui piro tóc thật sự anh ấy tại camera thì lại luôn ạ biết cần mà xài la cái này nào toàn ham cái tệ trâu này luôn cái tệ zoom on cinnamon stick star anise, onion, fenugreek seed, Szechuan peppercorn, onion, anya, sa powder ako onion, dhania powder, garam masala, onion, what else? Cumin powder. Cumin powder rồi onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder mà chẳng mấy mò thật luôn tục Chia
Strong smell.
half cup vinegar, half cup vinegar. Let me try your fish. I don't know this the scale, the skin. This one is hard. These are called Indian mackerel.
Oh.
Maybe they are from the Indian Ocean. That's why they're called Indian
Yeah.
mackerel.
It's not as good as the last one.
Bawng sa
Alin-alin da chuyện đồ hình.
kung sira scooty yan ano puran no zora aru ko ji kai ju khan ya chan de zali hang tu ko no am thur ka chan ka try this flavor babe.
No.
I'll just put it on your spoon. This is the flavor.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Spicy?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's good. It's like a chili pickle. Chili oil.
Pakati. Babay siyam ha. Bali mo in bay chuan min den bay ro sok thako. Thina ku chu. Chu ba min den ga bay thin.
Oh, kapor.
Already you got lot babe.
Yeah.
Kanin chung te an lo covid da. Chung me te kan han so mo we give them food and
We'll give them some of these beans. They like the beans.
ang paki dam to. Dave is okay now, right?
Yeah, he's okay.
No, quite a lesson.
They're not good. I don't like them. The other fish was better.
Even I don't like this one. The hard shell one, you know? The soft skin one is better.
Tastes like mackerel oil.
We cook very yum babe. The beef, the bones. Ooh. Để cho thật về khóc này rồi. You like the fungus?
Sure.
I've added the black and white fungus.
Nice.
Bố phải là bánh mua. Okay, go. This recipe, it's from Ape.
Yeah.
I told you about her, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Ape.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry, biết ông mong mong. Sorry, biết cái sân này.
We watched that video once.
Yeah. Not only once, I watched several times.
Yeah. Watch all your videos. That's all we watch.
Thank you. Love và subscribe cho nên muốn nồng thấy rap thật. Ape eats. Thank you.
The husband has a really good sense of humor, doesn't he?
The husband is The husband is funny. He's nice.
Yeah. Plays jokes and
He's very nice. And we pray for you. Get well soon.
oh, what? She's not well.
I told you, she had to go through dialysis.
Oh, get dialysis. Oh. Clean out the blood. Fresh blood.
Dialysis is for kidney patient, right?
Some of the organs are not functioning. That's why.
I think
That's
most
what
of the time.
I guess the kidneys and the organ and the liver, they filter the blood. So. Sometimes people have to go on dialysis until they get a kidney.
Transplant.
That's right.
Even though she had to go through all those, babe, in her face, nothing shown. She always happy, you know, she's very happy and it's so nice to see her
Positive.
face. Very positive. I'll give you more, bye-bye.
Okay. Anyway, I've had enough.
Hey, I didn't take any very more. I did what you saying.
Well, that's enough for me, but you finish her off. Very filling, these beans. Good for your health, I think. I want to have a more vegetarian diet, but baby says it's nice for the display in this mukbang, you know. Otherwise she'll get
I
a
didn't
lot
say it's nice for the display. I want you to eat fish or anything to get protein at least.
But the beans have protein.
Vegetarian, I'm like don't and the he wants to become vegetarian.
Well, not completely, but just like only have fish and seafood once or twice, maybe 2 times a week.
Yeah, what else did you eat then other than fish and seafood?
Yeah, that's it. It's good for the stomach. It takes the stomach longer to process meat.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah.
Kasuang to, katwilo to ka. I'm so proud of my
You got one of them? How many did you make?
Just one jar.
Just one jar. Did you use the bones for that?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No.
No. We had the whole.
What's that talk?
How big baby bought a big beef bum, but then it was too big for the pot. So we had to go to a butcher and buy a little beef and to cut it. Now what are you going to make? Bone broth. Oh, in honey. Oh, shout out hon. Okay.
Mình cho tao tao ngon.
Wow.
Mama. Ole ole, anh muốn nghe.
Ole, ole. In honey.
Shout out hun.
Shout out.
Ole, mi som pasari kan nei mo. Chuanin kan thil pakhat ron soilok kan du amo. Min lo entry na hianin I bawral to te an chu ten min ron shil te kha anom thina kan tor pui em chewa thina rap thak zia le tor har zia chu kan che o mem shin te ten bawral to zong te kha kan tor pui tak zit chew me. You want to add anything about?
Oh, some people who normally watch us have died. our thoughts are with their family. Tough, but yeah, these things happen. That's one guarantee in life, that you will one day not be alive. It's sad, but we have to be strong, and after some time of grieving, move on and live our lives to the fullest. Be helpful to those around us. That's what the person that is now deceased would want, you to be strong and have a happy life and feel joy in your life.
Chu Bawng cha kan ni tin hun mani a tha thei ang ber le an nom thei ang bera man tum thewila mi tam tak nak tu thleng thei lo hi an chap khovela hian Chu Bawng cha nin mani to ka lim che te hi a tha em ma en ril ruhkawl zong ala lawin chuanin ka in chhar chhuak ang tlante a khiam te pick a game Catherine Valal Tlan Tau Chong Fakte JH Teti Chen Kwal Pakung Ale Nuzeli Durtlang Leitan Zualat Nampe Nathaniel and Abby Sweet Pea Rin Zuali Mwalchin Le Malsom Sangi Like Witlang Aramit Lao Kin Kar Chakma Moite Bolte and family Veng Lai Lung Lai Zualte Hao Nar Nem Boy Misao Nawi Naute Shaizerte Nufa Chuampui and Mimi Ralte.
Thank you, Joy Ralte.
They welcome a new baby girl. Now the thar an ya kan lom pui tuk cheu nya o lawin en kol thaula in zawa in lawin en kol thaula she selna le limna le mal som nei lalpan mal som nei lalpan zel cheu se en ki ma le en ki ma tong trai le ti lin an ti kha chu wa in tong trai wari la ole kai mu le effect ton ya oh bye
Bye.
bye